This Java program defines a simple dental appointment manager using the Swing GUI toolkit. It is designed to help manage patient appointments by allowing the user to add and delete appointment entries through a graphical interface. This code is useful for creating a basic local desktop application to manage dental appointments, demonstrating core Swing components, and event-driven programming in Java. This program is a clean and simple example of a real-world application built with Java Swing. It demonstrates key GUI development concepts like layout management, event handling, form validation, and dynamic data manipulation using tables. It serves as a great starting point for building more advanced appointment systems or expanding into other domains like client management or scheduling systems.
Hello, this is Alexander Aguilar from One ITC or GUI instructor. So, good evening. Our Java Swing code is Dental Appointment Management System. Our main window setup initialize a JFrame titled Dental Appointment Management System with a size of 600 x 400 pixels and sets the default close operation. Utilizes a border layout to organize components within the frame. So appointment table employs a JTable backed by a default tab table model to display appointment details including patient, date, time, and contact information. Encapsulate the table within the JScroll pane to enable scrolling through the appointments. Input panel constructs a JPanel with a grid layout of 5 rows and 2 columns containing JLabel and JText field pairs for patient name, date, time, and contact number. Add appointment and delete appointment buttons. Button functionalities. Add appointment. Validates that all input fields are filled. Adds a new row to the table within provided details. Clears input fields after adding the appointment, and the delete appointment, remove the selected appointment from the table if a row is selected. Otherwise, display an error message. The other is the helper method. Clear fields resets all the input fields to empty string after an appointment is added. Application launch. The main method invokes the GUI creation of the event dispatch threads using Swing utilities that invoke later to ensure thread safety. This structure provides a user-friendly interface for managing dental appointments, facilitating the addition and deletion of appointments within the immediate visual feedback.
Dangal greetings everyone. I am Jmart Impas from One ITC. I explain the code of input panel. This part of the GUI is responsible for creating the input area where users will fill in details or a new appointment. Line by line breakdown. JPanel input panel equals new JPanel parenthesis new grid layout parenthesis 5 to 10 10. Ang purpose po nito is nagke-create siya ng bagong panel na nagsiserves as a container for form elements like labels and text fields. Grid layout 5 to 10 arrange components in 5 rows and 2 columns. Adds 10 pixels of horizontal and vertical spacing between each component. This spacing makes the layout less cramped and improves readability. Input panel that set border parenthesis border factory that create title border parenthesis double quote new appointment. Ang purpose nito is adds a titled border around the panel. The title, New Appointment, is displayed at the top of the panel's border. Why this is useful? Visually separates this section from others in the GUI, clearly indicates the purpose of the section, na tumutulong sa mga user na maunawaan na naglalagay sila ng mga detalye para sa isang bagong appointment.
Dangal greetings everyone. I'm here to explaining the user input of our group of our midterm project. We put name field for entering the patient's name, date field for entering the appointment date, in format year, month and date, time field for entering the appointment time, in format hours and minutes, reason field for entering the reason for the appointment. These fields are added to the input panel and shown at the top of the window. Then we put also add appointment button. When the user clicks that button, the add appointment button, the program reads the text values from the four input fields. It checks that none of the fields are empty. If all are filled, it adds a new row to the table with this input. If any of this field is empty, an error dialog is shown. The program also check which row is selected. If some of the row is valid, it will delete that row. That's all. Thank you.
Today I'm explaining to you JButtons. JButton, add button equals new JButton. Creates a button labeled add appointment. This will be used to take input from the text field and add a new row to the appointment table. JButton, delete button equals new JButton. Creates a button labeled delete selected. This will be used to remove the currently selected appointment from the table.
Dangal greetings, I'm Enrico Del Rosario and I will be explaining the section table of our code. This section displays scheduled appointments in a table using Java Swings or the Java table. For our first line of code in the table section, which is the table model, it creates the table's data structure with columns patient, date, time and reason, and it starts with no rows. This holds the appointment data. And for the second line of code, the table, it creates the visual table or the J table and links it to the table model for displaying the data and column headers. And for the third line, the J scroll pane, it wraps the table in a scroll pane, adding scroll bars if the numbers of appointments exceeds the visible area. And for the fourth line, it adds a titled border labeled scheduled appointments around the scrollable table. And for the last line, it adds the scrollable table to the center of the window or the panel, making it the main display area for appointments. So the section or the table section, it sets up a scrollable table labeled scheduled appointments in the center of the window to display patient appointment information with columns for patient, date, time, and reason, initially showing appointments.
today I'm explaining the action listener in this code. This adds an action listener to the add button, the appointment button. The code inside the listener defines what happens when the button is clicked. The programs get text from the input fields and removes extra spaces, trim, open, and close parentheses. String name equals name field that get text, open and close parentheses, dot trim, open and close parentheses, semicolon. String date equals date field that get text, open and close parentheses, dot trim, open and close parentheses, semicolon. String time equals time field that get text, open and close parentheses, dot trim, open and close parentheses, semicolon. String reason equals reason field that get text, open and parentheses, dot trim, and open parentheses, semicolon. This checks if all the fields are filled. If any of them are empty, it shows an error. If all fields are fields, it adds the data as a new row to the table. Table model that add row, open and close parentheses. After adding the row, it clears the input fields to allow the user to enter new data.
Dangal greeting everyone, my name is Belension and I will discuss the purpose of the clearfields method and the main method in Java Swing application. So the clearfields method is used to reset all the input fields after an appointment has been added. It does by setting the text of each input such as name field, data field, time field, and reason field to an empty string. This is helpful after the users click the Add Appointment button because it clears the form, allowing the users enter new information without manually deleting the previous data. Meanwhile, the public static appointment string method is the main entry point of the application. Inside this method, swing utilities that invoke later or GUI new is used to ensure that the graphical user interface of Vue is created and run on the event dispatch thread or EDT. So the EDT is responsible for handling all updates to Swing components, which helps us prevent any glitches or performance issue in the user interface. The GUI new part is a method reference that calls the constructor of the GUI class to set up the entire window and its components. Overall, using Swing utilities that invoke later is recommended for all base application to make sure the user interface runs smoothly without bugs.
Dangal greetings, ma'am. I'm Rainiel Hatolan and I'll be in charge of explaining the debugging and testing of our program, which is the Dental Appointment Manager. And so to start, we just have to run the program, and the program will give us a 4 user inputs, which includes the patient's name, the date, the time, and the reason for the appointment. So for example, we put a name here and the date, which is when you wanna go to see the checkup. Example is April 5. And the time, for example, I want to see the dentist at 7:30 a.m. and the reason, which is example is checkup. And once we click the button with the label add appointment, the action listener for it will put the contents of the patient's name, date, and so on to the columns below there. And if for example, we put an a missing output for the appointment. Example is this. If we select the add appointment, it will give us a prompt that we should fill all the fields because the user input is invalid or something's missing, and if we want to delete a appointment, we just have to click the appointment below the column and click this delete selected, and there we go. That's all. Thank you.